I.D.I, please take the stage.
I.D.I, the very kind of initiative we are praying for. Okay, who are these?
Yes, who are these?
Igbo intellectuals, professionals, like-minded, as an organization with just a single vision and goal.
To liberate our own people from unemployment,
underemployment, artificial poverty,
lavishing our land.
Alibo.
It's time, my people. Our Igbo giants and patriotic Igbo sons and daughters across all corners of the world, generating billions to trillions of US dollars to liberate our dear motherland.
God bless I.D.I. The vision is to establish and promote financial institutions to generate funds for the development of Alibo. Alibo Bani.
I.D.I bring Igbo professionals and intellectuals globally to pool resources for the industrialization of Alibo.
We are Igbos.
And
this is a fantastic news that is happening to Ndibo. It is about time for that Akurulo vision to blossom like a morning flower.
Through establishing businesses like financial institutions, providing financial services and investment opportunities, developing Igbo communities by introducing agricultural mechanization, industrialization, technology, and infrastructures.
Thank you, I.D.I, Igbo Development Initiative Incorporated.
Igbo Bumbo Africa. For more information, please visit info@idiglobal.org.
You can be part of this beautiful system. Email info@idiglobal.org. Telephone +1 913 709 5745. Alibo Gadima.
Alibo Gadima, that is I.D.I, Igbo Development Initiative, who are sponsoring this program today. They want us to talk about how Alibo will be developed. But let me share one secret to you about this group. They just discovered a young man, if I use the word, somebody who is at the early 50s, who just invented a very special generator that has never been in existence in this planet Earth. Any moment from now, it will not take too long. I may not say exactly the time that particular generator will be commercialized. The generator I'm talking about doesn't need any fuel, doesn't need any solar, doesn't need any water, doesn't need anything at all. It's on its own. The generator, and let me not go too far, please. But if you're only Igbo, you love development, follow the particular link, follow that I.D.I Info Global, or call the number you saw on the screen. Join this particular trend, and let you